In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy games if you change Steam region. If you've recently moved or your store country needs to reflect your new location. This walkthrough will help you make a clean purchase without hiccups. Keep in mind that your account details and payment source should genuinely match your new country to avoid purchase errors or account restrictions. Start by opening Steam and heading to the store. Add any game you want to your cart. This is important because the country selector appears during checkout. Go to your cart, look for the country drop-down and switch it to your new region. If Steam asks for confirmation, follow the prompt. The store should refresh to show prices in the local currency for that region. If it doesn't update right away, give it a moment and make sure you are browsing from your new location. Next, update your billing information during checkout. Choose a payment method that's registered in your new country. Your card's billing address needs to be in that country. And if you are using PayPal, the account must be set up for that same country as well. This match between payment source and region is essential. Steam uses it to verify that your store country is correct. Now complete the purchase. Finalizing this transaction will convert your Steam wallet to the new currency. After that, you'll see your wallet balance and store prices in the local currency for your new region. If you had an existing balance, it will reflect the conversion automatically once everything is updated. If you don't have a local card or PayPal that matches your new country, use regional gift cards as an alternative. Buy Steam gift cards in the correct local currency, such as Turkish lira or Argentine peso, from an authorized retailer in that region. Then redeem them to your wallet from your Steam account. Once the funds appear in the new currency, return to your cart and pay with your wallet balance as usual. Be sure the gift card currency matches your new region to prevent redemption issues. A few final tips for a smooth process. Stay signed in on the device and network you normally use in your new country. Ensure your billing address matches your payment method, and double-check that the store shows prices in the correct currency before you finish checkout. That's it. Thanks for watching.